So this will be a recap of some of the trades I did do today. Unfortunately, the live stream stopped due to OBS, and I also had issues in terms of the recording as well because OBS crashed. So unfortunately, I am not able to show the last 10 minutes of trading. So I'll go through the trades themselves. So let's see, we started here on the 28th. You can see at the gate, we took a small loss. What's that? We can say we took a small loss, and we took another small loss, had a bigger win which covered the two losses. So we lost 36 and 18, bigger win there at 60, had a sizable loss there at 56, then picked up 128 on gold, took a loss on NQ of 61, picked up 54 on NQ, somewhat offsetting, then picked up 127 on silver, decided to take profits 50% of the way to target, and after price hit my initial target not filled me, I took the remaining 60 contracts off. So took 60 contracts off there, took the remaining 60 contracts off there. If I'd have held the entire trade to the take profit, I would have picked up 400. Prices did eventually get to that take profit. So if we, I probably need to go on to, it's not the ideal chart. Let's go into candlesticks. Yeah. So you can see here, these are trades I took on NQ. You can see, I think I took a short there, was stopped out, took a long. Again, those are trades that didn't work. Took a short, managed to take profit, long, so on. Just taking the trades in and around this area. Over on gold. So we can see we took a long through there, took profits there. So pretty steady profits there on gold. Gold was, as we can see here, gold is pretty thin. Low volume on gold. Gold is just not great in terms of volume. We've had FOMC today. On NQ, there's a bit more volume, but it's not great volume. Considering we just had the FOMC, prices have not crossed 1 million contracts on ES, which is showing you low volume in the market. We have gold up 4.8%, silver up like pretty much 8%. Seeing a bit of a slow market on NQ, so it seems that the party is currently in the commodities. And over on silver, I traded a big contract of silver. We can see here, these were the trades, got in the entry here long, took profits 50% of the way to the target. Prices got to that target. I was looking at for that 14,450 price, wicked up there, came back. So as we can see, I took a profit stop down at 1440, 1440, less than my initial take profit on the original trade, where I originally took 50%. Price came up there. We can see price came back, pulled back. Eventually would have got me that 114,450. So maybe a bit of patience on my part. But again, the amount of risk I had on the trade certainly impacted my psychology in terms of holding the trade. But those are pretty much a trade. So picked up about 309, I believe, today. So a pretty healthy return in terms of P&L. But still a lot of work to do on the old account. Still a lot of work to do. So started the day around 787, ended the day up at 1096. But a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. I'll continue to stick with the strategy I'm using currently, and hopefully the results will follow. Also, my calendar is going to be clearing up in the over the next coming months. Well, over the next coming weeks. So I do plan to stream more regular as well. But just have a few projects I have to work on before I'm able to be more consistent on YouTube. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.